Good morning, traders. Andy Demi here from the London Trading Institute. So, I hope you guys are doing well. In today's video, I want to talk a little bit more about identity and how that relates to success at trading and also in life in general. So, we often talk about, the markets, and we talk about the technical stuff and why something might be going up or down. I don't know if you ever find yourself, predicting where the market might go, understanding how to do technical analysis, understanding all these fundamental things, having all this knowledge, but yet not quite finding success. And in fact, not only not finding success, have you noticed that you're probably making the same mistakes as you always do? Now, why is that the case? Well, quite simply, it's because of your identity and how you relate to that particular endeavor. Think of it like this. If you've been trading the markets for a long time and you've been losing money, in your brain, what is your identity as a trader? Well, if your identity as a trader is I'm a losing trader, well, essentially, you are going to continue to take the same actions to be a losing trader because that's your programming. If you say something enough times, it becomes a belief. And if you say something enough times with emotion, like you're angry, you keep losing money, then the more of that you do, the more you become that exact thing that you don't want. So why am I telling you this? Because I'm here to help you. I want to help you succeed. And, I can teach you how to have an edge in the markets. I can teach you how to build rules, how to build a strategy, how to make money consistently. But the only way you're going to actually action it is if you shift your identity and how you look at yourself as a trader. Now, think of something that you're really good at. Maybe your job. Okay, maybe you're really good at your job. Maybe it's being a good husband or being a good dad or being a good wife or being a good mother. Maybe you're very good as a handy person, things in the house. Maybe you're very good at maths. Whatever it is, think of something you're really good at. Now, if somebody asked you, to think about your identity in that field, what would you say? So let's say, for example, you're really good at maths. And someone says, asks you the question, there's this question here, it's really complicated. What would you think? You'd think, no, it's not. I can figure it out. Why? Because you identify as somebody who can do that job. And so you immediately take the right actions to solve it. Now, imagine you believe that you weren't good at maths. Maybe, the teachers, when you were younger, told you, look, you're not very good at this, you're going to fail at this, and you believed it, right? Now, the same exact person who could have been good at maths has a different identity. So when they get asked that question, they'll be like, yeah, no, I'm useless at maths. I could never understand it. I don't understand it. I don't get it. So imagine when you're looking at this question now, with that perspective, well, what's the chances of you solving something when you've already decided that you're not going to be able to do it? It's very, very small. So this is the gold, guys. If you want to trade successfully, you have to wake up every day acting as if you are a great trader, doing the kind of things that great traders do, following the same principles, doing the same preparation. The other thing that you can do is you can trick your brain. Now, how do you do that? You focus on the positives of your trading experience and ignore the negatives. Now, I'm not saying, don't review your bad trades and learn from them. Absolutely, we should. What I am saying is put your emotions and your attention and celebrate the wins. Whether it was like, hey, I completed my whole journal for the whole week for the first time ever. Maybe it was a winning trade that you prepared properly for and risk managed it and you did all the right things. Spend energy on those things. Don't just say, oh yeah, I won on that trade and ignore it and then just go on to the next one. Go to it, really get into it. Look at the images of success. Look at the profit. Look at the highlight the things that you did really, really well. So like, what did you do really well in that trade? Well, I followed rules. I stuck to my plan. I did the right risk on it. I did, I did my meditation on that day. Whatever those things are, write them down and then just spend a few moments contemplating it, feeling it, understanding this is what success feels like. Because the more you do that, the more you're going to resonate with, oh, this is what success is as a trader. This is what I need to feel like. These are the kind of things I need to do. So then if you do that regularly, you're going to start to reprogram your subconscious mind, not just your conscious mind, but your subconscious mind, to start identifying as a winning trader. This is the key, guys. Look, I've done this for long enough and I've had success, I've had failures, and I can tell you this. If you don't identify as a winning trader, if you don't have the right attitude, if you don't focus on celebrating success, focusing on shifting your identity, and a great book, by the way, is a must read for anyone who wants to be successful, anyone who wants to be successful at trading or any other endeavor. Psycho-Cybernetics. It's a must read. It's not an easy read, okay? It's not Harry Potter. Not that I like Harry Potter. In fact, I won't go into that. But yeah, the point I'm trying to say is it's not an easy read, but it's absolutely necessary and it works on this sort of stuff. Identifying, changing your identity, how you see yourself. And I promise you do this, all of a sudden, all the knowledge that you have is going to shift. Okay? It's going to shift. You're going to get the shift and your results are going to start to change. Okay? So that's what I wanted to share with you guys. Comment below. Let me know your thoughts about this. Do you think it's BS? And that's absolutely fine. I absolutely, I'm absolutely open to any opinions. Or do you think this is something that you've maybe not thought about, or something you have thought about but you haven't done? Let me know what you think. And if anybody's read Psycho-Cybernetics, let me know. Let me know what you think. I've recommended it many times before, but maybe you haven't got around to reading it. Put it on a sort of high priority. That's all from me, guys. You have a great day. Don't forget to please like our videos and subscribe to our channel and press the bell button to get notifications of all of our videos. I hope you're enjoying the content that we're producing, and please let me know if there's anything else that you want to hear from me about. Wishing you a great day, good trading, and I'll catch you again soon, guys. Take care.